Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery for your Mercedes key. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2025 or CR2032 battery. These are common coin cell batteries. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit to avoid misplacing any tiny parts. Understanding your specific key fob design is also helpful, as some models feature a small release button for easier access. Now, let's open the key fob. Locate the small tab or button, usually found on the side or back of your Mercedes key. Gently press this release button and then pull out the mechanical key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently pry open the key fob casing. Take your time and apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, observe the orientation of the old battery. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Carefully remove the old battery from its compartment, using your screwdriver or even your fingernail if it's accessible. Now, take your new CR2025 or CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing up, matching the orientation of the old one. Ensure it sits snugly in place. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the mechanical key blade back into its designated slot until it locks firmly into position. The last and most important step is to test your key fob's functionality. Go to your Mercedes vehicle and try locking and unlocking the doors to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.